Hello there. In today's video I will show you what to use instead of onChange, which was deprecated in iOS 17 version. As you can see here in this example, I called onChange on my overall vStack, and what I am monitoring is change of network monitor is connected value. So in this view I injected network monitor as environment object, and this class basically exposes to me connection state of the device. So I want to do something when connection state changes. In this case I used connection parameter in, and when connection is false, then I want to show network alert, and below that in alert, when this is true, alert dialog will show up. As you can see here, we have a warning that this was deprecated in iOS 17. Use onChange with a 2 or 0 parameter action closure instead. So the simplest thing what you can do here is call onChange with this first, so off parameter and action with 2 parameters. Click this, here enter. The first one off is again this, what you are monitoring, and the second closure has 2 parameters. First one is old value, second one is new value. So in this case, what I used here was connection, and in this new case, this is the new value. So I can copy this and just use new value instead of connection. We can delete this, try to build it. As you can see now, build succeeded, so this works perfectly. And in this case, I only want to know about the new value of this monitoring value. So I won't use old value, and I can just put it like this. And this works perfectly. So that's all you need to do in order to fix this warning. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.